Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Easy job, but not an easy job all in the same aspect, so we're not super worried about it today. All new squirter hose. Replaced the junction, followed through, ran. So I just got to cut the last little bit to go down to the washer pump. And we tested the washer pump, so we're gonna have to get a new one. So, not a major big deal. I don't think they're super expensive. Bobby does all the ordering, so I'm not gonna really worry about that. So we have a washer pump that can't work on the factory wiring anymore. So I'll tuck the factory wiring up out of the way. No problem. The new one, which, well, the easiest way to do is let me hop out of the car because I'm actually in the engine bay. There we go. Okay, so there's a new trigger wire. If I can pull it down, there we go. So our regular ground and trigger wire for the squirters. So we're gonna plug all that up. I have to route, I don't know why that just happened, but okay. So I gotta route the new trigger wire to the fuse box, and then I have to route the brown wire through the dashboard, up over the fender, and into the new squirter unit. So we'll get that all taken care of as well. So hopefully we don't find any other issues or disasters in the steering column, because we have disconnected things here that we didn't disconnect. So I got to find all those issues yet. I got to find the ground issue with that wire, why it's ran that way, as we have no clue and it's chafed to bits. So today's just kind of tidy up a little bit, get things where they need to be. Ugh, oh my God. And get things taken care of. So kind of a short video for the moment, but it's all tedious stuff that's kind of taking the time up for this morning. So I'm hoping to have all of this wrapped up shortly and we can move on to the next project. So at that point, oh my God, this heat is killing me today. It's gonna be like 90 something. Okay, at that point, we'll brief you guys on the next video. Have a good one and stay cool.